The tomb is empty, Jesus is risen. 1 Corinthians 15:20. Because he lives, death is not your end. Hope is not a wish, it is a promise. A living hope, 1 Peter 1:3, that forgives, transforms, and secures your eternity. But this hope demands a response. God commands all people everywhere to repent because he has fixed a day of judgment, and he proved it by raising Jesus from the dead. Acts 17:30-31. Don't wait. Don't gamble with eternity. Right now, turn from sin, trust the risen Christ. Say, Jesus, I believe you rose for me. I receive you as my Lord. Today is the day of salvation. Choose resurrection life. Now.